Hello everybody, today we will see how to switch languages on Mac keyboard. Before we start, I would like you to leave a like and a subscription, it would help me a lot. Thank you. Well, as a first step, we must click on the Apple logo, then go to System Settings. Okay, now we go down and click on Keyboard. In Text Input, click on Edit, and check this box called Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. Here on the left side, we simply add all the languages we want. Okay, once added, click on Done. Now, if we look up here, we have the option to change the languages. We simply click and select the language we want, and with just that, we can switch between the languages we have previously chosen. That's all. Leave me a like. Thanks for watching.